Hey there, it's Samuel Larsen here, and on this channel we cover all topics related to e-commerce optimization instead of traffic. So we cover how to get more visitors to convert into buyers. We cover how to make those buyers buy for a higher average order value, and then we cover how can you get more repeat purchases. Now, I've been doing e-commerce since 2015. I'm a Shopify setup and marketing expert, and I work with 6- and 7-figure stores mostly, helping them get more out of their existing traffic. From that, I get a good perspective of what is working right now in e-commerce, and then I bring these bits of wisdom over to yourself. Now, I built this channel very much like a course. So there's playlists and there's practical information instead of just theory. So in every video I want to make sure that you're leaving that video with something that you can take action on and not only improve your mental capabilities but actually improve your store as well. Now, subscribe for these videos because I'm going to come and provide you with fresh insights and fresh content every Thursday and dramatically shorten your learning curve as an e-commerce merchant. You don't need to do the same mistakes that I've done over my 5 years in e-commerce because I'm basically just giving them for free for you. It's my way of giving back. I love e-commerce. I'm an e-commerce nerd. I have no courses to sell. This is the course. Subscribe right now, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Thanks.